Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to bunny hop in Apex Legends. All right, it is actually pretty easy to do. First up, you're gonna want to make sure to go to settings right here and under controller, make sure that the crouch button is set to hold. All right, not toggle. Now go ahead and go to mouse and keyboard and make sure that you bind your jump to the scroll wheel down, as it is easier. All right. Now once that's set up, go ahead and go to the firing range just to practice. Now the first thing that you would want to do here is that you're going to want to go ahead and make a or gain a speed by simply running, or gain momentum. All right, just run while holding shift, and once done, go ahead and slide. All right, that's the first step. After that slide, go ahead and jump. All right, slide and jump. All right, again, gain momentum, slide and jump. Then, as you might remember, we have binded our jump to scroll wheel down, so it's easier. So after that slide and jump, we would want to spam the scroll wheel down, all right, to make B-hop. As you can see here, I'm running, gaining velocity or gaining momentum right here. And I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to slide, jump, then spam the scroll wheel down. All right, again, gain momentum, slide, then spam the jump. So as you can see here, our bunny hop is not that fast and we are not crouching. So as you might remember as well, we have put the crouch bind to hold. So that means we would hold the crouch while we are jumping. All right, again, slide, jump, hold control. Okay, then spam jump. Again, gain momentum, slide, jump, hold control, jump. All right, just like that. As per timing, all right, you would want to time your scroll wheel. You have to feel it. All right, it's not that hard to feel the jump. Don't overthink those kind of things like saying beats per minute. You'll have to feel it. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.